friends, welcome back. I'm Heather and happy New Year. If you are watching this as this video comes out, we are in a brand new month and I thought it would be perfect to share these veggie loaded, delicious meal prep breakfast sandwiches. So we're partnering with Food for Life using their sprouted grain English muffins. They are delicious and the perfect partner for this recipe. So here's how it goes down. We are going to easily mix up our egg mixture, which uses frozen spinach, eggs, some seasoning, and that bakes in the oven. Now while that's baking, we can prep the rest. We just get some ham, our English muffins out. When those eggs are ready, put it all together with some egg, wrap it up, and warm it in the oven. Now the great thing about these is that you can freeze them so that it can just be ready and waiting for you for your busiest morning. They are healthy, they are veggie loaded, protein packed, and they're so good. My whole family was such a fan, including the kiddos, and I can't wait for you to try it. So here is how we get them together. I hope that you are as excited to try this recipe as we were to eat them. They're so good. Head down below to the link to grab the full printable recipe, and definitely check out our partner Food for Life. They're delicious English muffins, easy to keep in the freezer, pop out when you need them. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you guys back here soon. Bye.